Welcome to the Iris Business Architect Instant Graphic Changes video. You will learn in this video how to make changes instantly to a diagram, either a capability, value stream, organizational, or any other types of diagrams. Please note that prior to viewing this video, we recommend strongly that you view before our Quick Start Guide video. From the Model Explorer, let's start by examining the detailed capability diagram of IBC Company by right-clicking on Enterprise ABC Company and opening it like this. Here's a partial view of it in the middle of our screen. An outlook of the entire detailed capability diagram is visible at the right of the screen. Let's zoom out a little to see a larger portion of the diagram by selecting Zoom Out from 100% to 75%. You can now view different tiers, like the Strategic Direction Setting tier, the Customer-Facing tier, and the Supporting tier. By clicking on any of the capabilities, you can view the capabilities properties in the screen below. Let's click into the Account Pipeline Management capability. As shown here, you can see a description of the capability. It has 3 child capabilities, and its heat map value is just fine. Furthermore, you can take a closer look at the internal properties of the capability and know whom has created the value, who has modified it, and when. In the detailed capability diagram of ABC Company, you can move a capability around very easily. For example, you can move the marketing capability from the Strategic Direction Setting tier to the Customer-Facing tier, like this. Note that it is reflected in its properties as shown here. It is also reflected in the summary capability diagram. Let's go and see. Here it is in the Customer-Facing tier. Still in the detailed capability diagram of ABC Company, you can easily modify any of its capabilities. Let's take the marketing capability and change it to digital marketing. You press on this arrow and then make your changes to the capability like this. Furthermore, you can also choose to not show or show the heat map or put numbers to each of the capabilities like this. Note that your changes are automatically made in other diagrams. For example, here's how the organizational chart now looks like. Capabilities are now numbered, and marketing is now digital marketing. Adding a capability in the detailed capability diagram is not complicated either. Here's an example. Let's add a website management capability under the marketing capability. You first click on the capability button in your palette, like this. You then put your cursor on the marketing capability box in the diagram and click like this. You then type the name of this new capability. The number 10.1 is automatically generated as seen here. Let's now associate a heat map value to this capability. Go in its property view below the diagram. Go in Measurement and click on the green cross. A measurement window now opens. You choose between either of the measurement types, either generic heat map or capability maturity. I will choose generic heat map. The window disappears. I now select Urgent Care Required and click on OK, like this. Here we go. The capability box has now turned red. Capabilities can also be deleted. It's easy to do. In the detailed capability diagram, put your cursor on top of the capability box that you want to delete. Let's say Policy Management. Then right-click and select Delete from Model. Looking at ABC Company's organizational chart, you notice that the policy management capability is now gone. We can also edit the relationship diagram of any element in a business architecture project. Let's take a look, for example, at the relationships from and to the account management capability in the customer-facing tier. You right-click on the capability and choose Edit in the relationship diagram. Shortly after, the diagram will appear. Increase its view to 200% like this. You now notice that the account management capability is linked to the organization chart with the main business unit and the manufacturing unit. The account management capability is also parent to the account pipeline management capability. You can modify this diagram with the features shown here. Let's now take a look at the value stream diagram from here. You can now view three value streams. They are acquire product, maintain account, and develop product. Each value stream has different stages as shown here, like the capability diagram. The elements in the value stream diagram can be modified, added, or deleted. Value streams can be linked to capabilities and shown into a diagram. In the Model Explorer, let's drill down into the value mapping. Let's open it and go on its first value stream entitled Acquire Product. Right-click on it like this, then select Open Stream Stages Capability Map. You can now view stages in the Acquire Product value stream linked to the ABC Companies value stream. Again, you can put numbers to value streams, stages, or capabilities like this. As previously demonstrated in another diagram, the same is true of heat maps. It is also possible to view an organizational chart as we have shown earlier. All you have to do is right-click here on Enterprise and select Open Organizational Chart like this. To have a better view, let's zoom out to 75%. You can now see the enterprise, the business units, the supporting capabilities, the customer-facing capabilities, and the strategic direction setting capabilities as shown here. By selecting any box, you can view the element's properties. Let's take the employee management for example. The details of its properties are described here. From there, you could make modifications that would immediately be reflected in the chart and other diagram of your business architecture project. Other tables, matrices, charts, and diagrams will be accessible in Iris Business Architect during the course of 2015. Rest assured that they will be as easy to change as the changes to the diagrams that you have seen in this video. That's enough for this video. Thanks for watching. You want to know more about Iris Business Architect? You may contact us at any time or watch any of our videos. Stay tuned.